guys, how you doing? It's Eva from Noshki's Nails. I wanted to do a review on a starter kit I purchased from Bundle Monster. They had a great deal going on with different types of starting kits, and the one I chose was the Classic Beauty. Now, in the starter kit, it comes with two stamping plates and two stamping polishes. You get a scraper and a stamper, plus some replacement heads. So the stamping plates are BMXL 355. This is how one of them looks. Here are the images. And then the other one is BMXL 356. The stamping polishes is in black and one looks like it's in teal. The blue one, it's called Icy Blue, which is this one right here. Pretty nice. And then the black one, it's called straight up black, which I have before and I'm running out, so I'm glad I got that color. You get the scraper right here. This is the stamper that comes with it. The heads are dirty. You need to clean that before you start stamping with them. And you get, like I said, the replacement heads right here. They also included a card for any of you guys want to go ahead and place orders. You get 15% off right here. That's the code. It's called Best Self. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get this started.
Wasted, my heart grows heavy. Don't taste me rushing, keep your words naked. You got me blushing, and you forever I'll follow. You'll be my holy ground. You forever I'll follow in immortality. Forever